nature bombards Japan without mercy. Super hailstorm destroys Gunma Prefecture. On the evening of Monday, July 31st, 2023, heavy hail hit the Gunma section of the Canto region. The weather was severe in Gunma Prefecture, with thunder and tornado warnings issued in various places, alongside widespread hail. Temperatures rose in various places, and Gunma Prefecture experienced a hot day, with Isazaki recording a scorching temperature of 39.1 degrees, making it the country's second hottest day for 2 consecutive days. Mayabashi registered 38 degrees, while Tapayashi recorded 38.3 degrees. Due to the intense heat, 26 people were taken away by ambulance at 3 o'clock local time, suffering from heat stroke. The Mayabashi Local Meteorological Observatory advised measures against heat stroke, including proper air conditioning and frequent hydration. Atmospheric conditions became unstable on July 31st, 2023, causing hail to fall on several areas, including Mayabashi City and Takasaki City. Several cases of damage, such as cracked car windshields, were reported due to the impact of heavy hail. Junior East temporarily suspended operations on 5 lines due to the unstable atmospheric conditions. As the evening progressed, there was heavy rain accompanied by lightning due to the influence of humid air and cold air in the atmosphere. Miyashita, from Gunma Prefecture, who was visiting his family's house, experienced an ice storm and protected his beloved Tesla car with all his might, receiving praise and sympathy from fans on social media.
Miyashita.
Meanwhile, there were reports of damage in other areas, including broken windows and houses. Several people were injured, with about 10 reports of hail hitting the head. The Mayabashi city government is currently inspecting the damage situation. Additionally, rain fell in coastal areas of the southern Kanto region, including downtown Tokyo, for the first time in 26 days since July 6th. There was a severe thunderstorm in the northern Kanto region, with 28.5 millimeters of heavy rain falling on Kanuma City. Clouds are expected to develop mainly in Tochigi and Ibaraki prefectures, and lightning strikes are common until the evening. Atmospheric instability is predicted due to rising temperatures near the ground surface, and guerrilla thunderstorms can occur over the wide Kanto region, including the south.